Hello everyone, this is episode 4 of a series called Cosmic Basics. Today we will talk about one of the strangest planets, Venus. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Venus is the hottest planet and the closest to Earth. It is considered a sister planet to Earth and is one of the most hellish, if not the most hellish planet of our solar system. Its diameter is like Earth. It is a rocky planet with a very thick atmosphere that blankets the surface in clouds. But once we remove the atmosphere, we see Venus's actual surface. We get a much different point of view. Venus has a solid core that is surrounded by a mantle, which is covered by a crust. Venus is very volcanically active, and its atmosphere is mostly composed of carbon dioxide. A year on Venus is 225 Earth days, and a day is 243 Earth days. This means that a day on Venus is longer than a year there. Venus is tilted upside down. Its axis is -2 degrees tilted, meaning that the sun rises in the west and sets in the east there. Furthermore, seasons don't affect Venus that much. The surface temperature of Venus is the hottest of any planet. It's 748 degrees Kelvin or 475 degrees Celsius. Venus's atmosphere is 92 times that of Earth, meaning that an astronaut on there would be burned and crushed. This may lead you to believe that interesting geographical features on Venus couldn't exist, but they do exist. For example, the highest point on Venus, Maxwell Mons, is a massive volcano, and the string-like shape you see here is an elevated portion of Venus known as Abhoride Terra. The reason for Venus's extreme surface temperature is because of something known as the greenhouse effect. The heat from the sun is trapped by Venus's atmosphere on its surface, and it is unable to escape, as shown by this figure here. Earth and Venus are considered sister planets. This means they share many similar features. They both have thick atmospheres, they have a similar size, and it is once thought that just like Earth today, Venus may have had liquid water on its surface. Most missions to Venus's surface haven't lasted long, but they did last long enough. Here is the first image of Venus's surface taken by the Soviet Venera 13 lander, which is the first lander to successfully land on the surface of another planet. You can see in the image Venus's strange yellow coloration. That was a brief overview of Venus, of course. There are a lot more interesting things on this planet that I suggest you see online for yourself. I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Cosmic Arc. Next episode will be on a familiar blue planet. Consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video if you haven't already. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode. This was Cosmic Arc.